Hey everybody, we've got Fusion 360 installed here. Um, just wanted to give you a quick tour here. It looks kind of like Autodesk Inventor. Looks a little streamlined, less options up here, um, but pretty much most of the stuff you need is there, which is pretty cool. What's kind of cool about this is you can actually print right from this. Um, Usually, you still want to just do an STL because that's allows you to bring it into the Cura software. Um, but anyhow, pretty cool stuff here. Start a sketch just like we would. You select your plane. Looks pretty similar, right? It's got most of the same drawing tools up here. Running pretty darn quick on my. You look at you got options over here. It's kind of cool. This would normally be up kind of here. These options, whether or not you want it to be a construction line or what. There's kind of a cool thing down here. You can add comments to the file. So there might be a nice way to share these. I'm not really sure. But, you can start doing your thing. Snapping to the grid, which is kind of cool, that makes the units just nice and simple. Finish sketch is right there as normal. Extrude. Now, this is a pretty nice computer I'm using here. Oh, look at it, snapping every 1/10 of an inch. That's kind of nice. That's a pretty nice laptop I'm using. It actually has a better processor than our desktops. Um, New body. Oh, okay. New body. That's good. That's good. I was going to show something with that in a video later. Um, so holes. Let's see. Let's try something else here. Let's see how the spline works. See if this works. Oh, nice. Oh, I like the way this snaps. That's kind of cool. Those of you that are crazy spliners, Spizwokel, Boylan, I'm looking at you. That's kind of nice. That snapped right to those points. I wonder if we can do that in Inventor. I kind of like the way that goes. Although, if you were doing, let's see here. Now I got to figure this out. Where's my cut extrusion? How do I do a cut? Um, if you were doing something really precise, you probably wouldn't actually want it to snap, though, would you? You probably want it to. Oh yeah, here we go. Operation cut extrusion. I want to bring it that way. All right, so pretty much working the same way. You can. Oh, how do I escape? Looks good. Hold down that middle mouse button, allows you to do that. That's kind of cool. Learn that from Ethan White. Anyhow, you can pretty much do everything. Revolve, holes, pretty similar. Assembly, assemble stuff. This is your different planes, all there, like you would. We use those all the time. This is your browser that's normally in that separate plane. It's just kind of floating over here. Here's your sketches, bodies. Now it looks a little bit different, doesn't it? I don't see like the separate extrusion listed here, so I don't see that extrusion listed separately. So maybe that could give us some issues. But otherwise, it's pretty much the same as Autodesk Inventor. It's kind of, oh look, here it is. Oh, this is the timeline of the build. That's really cool. So if we went on and did stuff, I like that. Let me try a circle here. Constraints, nice. Constraints are here. I love constraints. Extrude. Just drag it. This is kind of nice. Oh, I hit escape, not save. Whoops. Hit OK. Let me try making it as a new body. Sometimes that's a really good thing to do because then you end up with multiple bodies, and that has benefits. And I'm going to make a video about that. That's one of the advanced techniques I want to show Engineering 2, but I also leave it there for Engineering 1. All right, I'm going to use Autodesk 360 for my videos, I think. What the heck? Fusion 360, because I know that everybody can run this software. Everybody can run it, and if I can't figure out how to do something, can I do 3D sketches here? I wonder. If I can't do 3D sketches, then I'm probably going to stick with Inventor. I'll have to see what I can do there. 3D PCB. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. Anyhow, hope everybody's doing well. Mess around in Fusion 360. If there's anything you've been wanting to make, hey, I tell you what, man, if you get something you want to print, maybe I can do it for you. You export the STL, maybe we can figure something out there. Right? I print them and mail them out for you. I've got printers here at home for making the face shields, and I have some material. I am running low on material. I've made like 120 masks or so, so I'm running kind of low on material at this point. But anyhow, give Fusion 360 a shot. I think this is really pretty cool. Although, like I said, if I can't do a 3D sketch, then we're gonna have trouble. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But anyway, all right. We'll see you guys later. Be good. Have fun. We'll see you later.